Welcome to the Emerald Isle, where myths and verdant landscapes invite you to a journey of a lifetime. I'm excited to share some of my favorite Irish experiences with you. We'll be exploring ancient castles, dramatic coastlines, and vibrant cities, all while soaking in the warmth and charm of Irish culture. So grab your walking shoes and your sense of adventure and let's get going. Our first stop takes us to the edge of the world, or at least that's what it feels like standing atop the majestic Cliffs of Moher. Imagine yourself here, perched on these towering cliffs that rise over 700 feet above the wild Atlantic Ocean. The wind whips through your hair as you gaze out at the endless expanse of blue, the crashing waves creating a symphony of sound that echoes the raw beauty of this place. These cliffs have stood for centuries, silent guardians of Ireland's western edge. They've witnessed history unfold, from ancient Celtic tribes to intrepid explorers. As you stroll along the clifftop path, feel the weight of that history wash over you. Let your imagination soar with tales of ancient legends and mythical creatures said to roam these parts. Notice the vibrant green grass that seems to defy gravity, clinging to the cliff's edge. This is the Emerald Isle in all its glory, a tapestry woven with hues of green that stretch as far as the eye can see. And those specks of white dancing in the distance, those are seabirds, their calls adding to the chorus of the sea. They make their homes in the nooks and crannies of these cliffs, sharing this breathtaking vista with lucky visitors like you. Take a moment to breathe in the salty air, feel the mist on your face, and let the sheer magnificence of the Cliffs of Moher leave an imprint on your soul. This is a place where you can truly connect with the raw power and beauty of nature. From the wild Atlantic coast, we journey eastward to Dublin, Ireland's vibrant capital city. More than just a city, Dublin is a feeling, a rhythm that pulses with history, literature, and a good dose of Irish crack. That's fun in their terms. As you wander the cobbled streets, you'll quickly discover that Dublin is a city best explored on foot. Let's start with a stroll through Trinity College, Ireland's oldest and most prestigious university. Imagine walking in the footsteps of literary giants like Oscar Wilde, Samuel Beckett, and Bram Stoker, all alumni of this hallowed institution. Be sure to visit the long room in the old library, a sight that will take your breath away. Picture this, a cavernous hall lined with towering oak shelves, home to over 200,000 of the library's oldest books. As evening descends, follow the sounds of traditional Irish music, those lively fiddle tunes and soulful ballads, to a cozy pub. Duck inside, grab a pint of Guinness, and let the warmth of Irish hospitality wash over you. The pub is more than just a place to drink, it's a living room for the community, a place where stories are shared, laughter rings out, and friendships are forged. Before you leave Dublin, be sure to wander down Grafton Street, a pedestrianized shopping street with a lively atmosphere. Listen to the buskers serenading passersby with traditional and contemporary tunes adding to the city's vibrant soundtrack. And don't forget to treat yourself to a bag of fresh roasted coffee from Bewley's, a Dublin institution. Our Irish adventure takes us next to the Rock of Cashel, a majestic collection of medieval buildings perched dramatically atop a limestone outcrop. As you approach this iconic landmark rising from the verdant plains, you can't help but feel a sense of awe. For centuries, this was the seat of power for the kings of Munster, a place steeped in history and legend. Step through the ancient walls and wander through the ruins of the 13th century cathedral, its weathered stone whispering tales of Ireland's rich past. Imagine the echoes of chanting monks and the pageantry of royal ceremonies that once filled this sacred space. Look for the intricately carved high cross, a testament to the skill of early Celtic artisans. Stand on the ramparts just as kings and warriors did centuries ago, and let your gaze sweep across the rolling countryside. It's easy to see why this strategic site was so fiercely contested throughout history. The Rock of Cashel isn't just a collection of old stones, it's a powerful symbol of Ireland's enduring spirit, a testament to the ebb and flow of conquests and resilience that have shaped this land. As you leave the Rock of Cashel, take a moment to reflect on the layers of history that have unfolded on this hallowed ground. From ancient kings to powerful church leaders, the stories of their triumphs and struggles are etched into the very fabric of this place. Get ready to experience the raw, untamed beauty of Connemara, a region in County Galway that feels like it's been plucked straight from a fairy tale. Imagine a landscape of rugged mountains that plunge into sparkling lakes, their slopes blanketed in a patchwork of emerald green and earthy brown. This is a place where the wild Atlantic winds whip across the land, shaping the very character of this region. As you journey through Connemara, you'll encounter a landscape dotted with ancient stone walls, remnants of a time when farmers worked the land by hand. These walls snake across the hillsides, marking the boundaries of small fields and creating a timeless, almost mystical atmosphere. Be sure to stop at Kilmore Abbey, a stunning castle nestled on the shores of a serene lake. Its storybook reflection in the water is an image that will stay with you long after you've left. Connemara is also a place where traditional Irish culture thrives. Stop in a local pub, and you might be lucky enough to catch a traditional music session. Listen as the sounds of the fiddle, flute, and bodhrán fill the air, their melodies echoing the spirit of this ancient land. And don't be surprised if you find yourself tapping your feet and clapping along. The infectious rhythm of Irish music is impossible to resist. As you explore Connemara, take your time and savor the tranquility of this special place. Breathe in the fresh air, feel the wind in your hair, and let the wild beauty of this region seep into your soul. Our next adventure takes us south to Cork, a city that proudly embraces its rebellious streak and its reputation for good food and good times. Known as the Rebel City for its independent spirit, Cork has a youthful energy that's infectious. It's a place where history and modernity collide, creating a vibrant cultural scene that's impossible not to be swept up in. Start your exploration in the historic English Market, a foodie's paradise housed in a beautifully ornate Victorian building. Imagine stalls overflowing with colorful fruits and vegetables, fresh-caught seafood glistening on beds of ice, and artisan cheeses tempting you with their creamy textures. This is a feast for the senses, a testament to Cork's passion for good food and local produce. No trip to Cork would be complete without a visit to Blarney Castle, home to the legendary Blarney Stone. Legend has it that kissing the stone, a somewhat awkward feat that involves leaning backwards over a parapet, will grant you the gift of eloquence. Whether you believe the legend or not, the experience is sure to bring a smile to your face. As evening falls, head to Oliver Plunkett Street, a pedestrianized shopping street that comes alive with street performers and a lively pub scene. Duck into a traditional pub, order a pint of Murphy's the local brew, and soak up the lively atmosphere. Cork is a city that knows how to have a good time, and you're guaranteed a memorable evening here. Prepare to be transported back to medieval times as we journey to Kilkenny, a city brimming with history and charm. Imagine strolling through narrow, winding streets lined with colorful buildings, their facades whispering tales of centuries past. Kilkenny is a city best explored on foot, allowing you to soak up its unique atmosphere at a leisurely pace. Dominating the city's skyline is Kilkenny Castle, a magnificent Norman castle that has stood guard over the River Nore for over 800 years. Step inside and wander through its grand halls, imagining the lives of the powerful Butler family who once called this place home. Be sure to explore the castle's sprawling gardens, a tranquil oasis in the heart of the city. As you delve deeper into Kilkenny's historic core, you'll encounter a wealth of architectural treasures. Visit St. Canice's Cathedral, a stunning example of Gothic architecture, and climb its round tower for panoramic views of the city. Don't miss Keitler's Inn, a 14th century inn with a fascinating and slightly spooky history. Legend has it that Dame Alice Keitler, the inn's original owner, was accused of witchcraft and fled to England, leaving behind a legacy of intrigue. In the evening, experience Kilkenny's vibrant arts scene. Catch a performance at the Watergate Theatre, a converted 19th century church, or enjoy live music in one of the city's many pubs. Kilkenny is a city that seamlessly blends its rich history with a modern creative spirit. Buckle up for a scenic journey along the Ring of Kerry, one of Ireland's most iconic driving routes. Imagine winding coastal roads that hug the rugged Atlantic coastline, revealing breathtaking vistas at every turn. This is a landscape of dramatic cliffs, sparkling bays, charming villages, and ancient stone forts, all set against a backdrop of ever-changing skies. As you journey along the Ring, be sure to stop at Ladies' View, a viewpoint that offers panoramic views of the lakes of Killarney and the surrounding mountains. Legend has it that Queen Victoria's ladies-in-waiting were so captivated by the beauty of this spot that it was named in their honor. Another must-see is Muckross House and Gardens, a Victorian mansion set amidst stunning gardens and woodland walks. Take a detour to the Dingle Peninsula, a region renowned for its dramatic coastal scenery and rich Gaelic culture. Here you can visit the Galleries Oratory, a perfectly preserved early Christian church built using dry stone construction techniques, or hike to the summit of Mount Brandon for breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean. Keep an eye out for Fungi, Dingle's resident dolphin, who has been delighting visitors for decades with his playful antics. The Ring of Kerry is a journey that will stay with you long after you've returned home. It's a reminder of the raw beauty of the natural world and the enduring spirit of the Irish people, who have made this rugged landscape their home for centuries. Get ready to experience the vibrant energy of Galway, a city that pulsates with creativity and a youthful spirit. Imagine colorful shopfronts lining cobbled streets, the air filled with the sounds of street musicians and the aroma of freshly baked pastries. Galway is a city that embraces its bohemian side, a place where artists, musicians, and storytellers come together to celebrate Irish culture in all its forms. Start your exploration in the heart of the city, Eyre Square, a bustling hub where locals and visitors gather to soak up the atmosphere. Wander through the narrow, winding streets of the Latin Quarter, a maze of charming boutiques, traditional pubs, and art galleries. Be sure to stop at Ty Neachtain, a cozy pub with a literary history. It was once a favorite haunt of Irish writer W.B. Yeats. As you explore Galway, you'll quickly discover that music is in its soul. The city is renowned for its traditional Irish music scene, and you'll find live music sessions in pubs throughout the city every night of the week. For a truly immersive experience, catch a performance at the Druid Theatre, known for its innovative productions of Irish and international plays. Before you leave Galway, take a stroll along the Salt Hill Promenade, a scenic walkway that offers stunning views of Galway Bay. As you breathe in the fresh sea air, you'll understand why Galway is known as the City of the Tribes, a place where creativity, history, and a warm Irish welcome combine to create an unforgettable experience. Our Irish adventure takes us north to Derry, a city that has witnessed its share of turmoil but emerged as a beacon of hope and reconciliation. Imagine strolling along the city's well-preserved 17th century walls, the only remaining completely walled city in Ireland, and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. These walls, once symbols of division, now represent the city's resilience and its commitment to a shared future. As you walk along the walls, you'll encounter cannons that once guarded the city and gain a unique perspective on Derry's history. Look out over the Bogside neighborhood, a focal point of the Troubles, a period of conflict in Northern Ireland. Today, vibrant murals adorn the buildings, telling the story of the city's past and its hopes for the future. Cross the Peace Bridge, a pedestrian bridge that spans the River Foyle, symbolizing the city's journey from conflict to peace. This elegant structure, completed in 2011, connects the predominantly Protestant waterside with the mainly Catholic city side, a powerful symbol of unity and reconciliation. In the evening, immerse yourself in Derry's vibrant cultural scene. Catch a performance at the Millennium Forum, a modern arts center that hosts a variety of events, or enjoy live music in one of the city's many pubs. Derry is a city that embraces its past while looking towards a brighter future, a testament to the power of resilience and the human spirit. Our final stop takes us to the Giant Causeway, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of Ireland's most iconic natural wonders. Imagine stepping onto a shoreline transformed by nature's artistry, where over 40,000 hexagonal basalt columns rise from the sea like stepping stones to another world. This geological marvel has captivated visitors for centuries, inspiring myths and legends that are as captivating as the landscape itself. As you wander among these perfectly formed columns, it's easy to see why legend attributes their creation to the giant Finn McCool. According to myth, Finn built the causeway as a bridge to Scotland to confront his rival, the giant Benandonner. Whether you believe the legend or marvel at the scientific explanation volcanic activity millions of years ago, the Giant's Causeway is a site that will leave a lasting impression. Take your time exploring this unique landscape, climbing the columns and discovering hidden grottos. Listen to the waves crashing against the basalt columns, creating a symphony of sound that adds to the drama of this special place. Be sure to visit the Giant's Causeway Visitor Center to learn more about the geology, mythology, and wildlife of this extraordinary site. As you stand on the edge of the Giant's Causeway, gazing out at the vast Atlantic Ocean, take a moment to appreciate the raw power and beauty of the natural world. This is a place where myth and reality intertwine, creating an experience that is both humbling and awe-inspiring. From legendary landscapes to cities bursting with culture, Ireland offers a story at every turn. We've explored ancient ruins, heard tales of mythical creatures, and experienced the warmth of Irish hospitality. Ireland has a way of getting under your skin and staying with you long after you've left its shores. Thanks for joining us on this Irish adventure. I hope it's inspired you to add Ireland to your travel bucket list. Remember, travel is about more than just ticking off destinations. It's about connecting with people, embracing new experiences, and creating memories